So we've been getting asked a lot of questions pretty frequently here at LEA Professional, and one of them is, can the output channels of the Connect Series amplifiers run in high Z? And the answer to that is yes, you can run each channel in either low Z, high Z 70 volt, or high Z 100 volt. And each channel can be individually selected to run in whichever mode you want. So I'm going to show you how to set that up here on my screen. So I've got my amplifiers up here, so we'll just go into this 354. So once we click in here and get into the DSP section, we can click on the channel settings here, and this is where we've got the high Z, low Z settings for each channel. So by default, all of our amplifiers ship in low Z mode selected on each channel, but you can go here and change this to high Z 70 volt or 100 volt. So we can select channel 1 here for high Z 70 volt. And you can see when I did that, this separate frequency slider popped up just below the drop-down menu here. So this is a first order high pass filter that by default gets enabled when you go into a high Z 70 volt or high Z 100 volt mode on the channel. By default it comes in at 70 Hertz, and this is just there to help prevent saturation of the transformer of your high Z speakers. So you can adjust the frequency of this anywhere between 35 Hertz and 5 kilohertz, depending on what you need for the loudspeaker. But again, this is just there as an extra level of protection to help your loudspeakers from getting saturated on the transformer. So each channel can be set in any mode. So this first channel is set to 70 volt. We can keep channel 2 on low Z. We could set another channel to high Z 100 volt. It really doesn't matter. Any mode can be selected on any channel across all the models in the Connect series range. So there you go, have at it. Try setting up some different loads, different speakers on your amplifiers, and let us know what you think.